Two ways to protect your applications, your designed web software applications. As like you want to create a demo for the user to test your program, and at the same time don't use this demo forever and finish at some condition or time and then ask for buying your software. These two ways are using MAC address, which is physical address of its computer, or by using the date function. So let's work in this together in Python language, and follow me in this video. Subscribe to the channel to reach every important video upload, and press like and share it with others. Let's go now. I prepared this in two files. The first file, this in Python as I said, and this is to deal with the MAC address of the computer which the user will use. Using this function, we should import by game library, and then import or define this function, define the function get MAC address, and write this code, okay, and then put the output of the MAC address function or get MAC address function in the variable MAC address, okay, and then check this with its a physical MAC address. So how to do this? You will send the user the MAC address program, which is this one, this program. You will send it by email and let him use this program. And after using it, you're pressing it, it will collect its MAC address, okay? It will collect its MAC address, then send you by email or through WhatsApp. So this is the program MAC address. You will send this program to the user through email or WhatsApp, and he will give you back this MAC address after accessing it or using it, and you will put in your code in your application and execute it and produce the setup program, and set this setup program including this MAC address of the user, so it will only work in his machine, which this is his MAC address, okay? Will not work in any other machine. This is the first way. The second way, more general and work in any machine, which is using the date function, and this is the second code for protecting your app. You will create an array of passwords, and this start every time with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 12. So every month we have for January it will be start by 1, and for February 2, and until we reach December it will start by 12. And then you will put the same code, and you will remember this code. This may be ABCD blah blah blah, and this blah blah will be duplicated in every and repeated in every password, okay? So how to do this in the program? You will ask the program through the code to bring its current mass using this function. This function work also in Python. So date time now dot month, it will bring the month of if January it will return 1, if December it will return 12, and so on. And then 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 for the month will be inputted or stored in the variable current month, okay? Then you will ask the user to enter the password and put in the variable user password, and then you will check this user password with the password get current month, okay? So if it entered the user current month for 1 January, it will get it from the passwords, will get this password, okay? So the user should enter this password. Why this password? Because you will give it to him according to the months you are selling the program. Okay, so after finishing this month, the password will not work. It should ask you for another password. So the demo is finished during this month. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If there is any question, ask and we will reply you as soon as possible. Press like, share the video with others, and if there is any comment, write it. Thanks for watching.